you are born in Ghana. You have a home, so you can go. If you think that is not good for you, you can go. All right? Yes, I'll give an announcement before I leave, bro. I'm going to do that. We are coming out. And when we come out, we are going to apply the GIPC law. Strictly apply that. If you are not supposed to sell, you are not supposed to sell. Please don't come and say that Ghanaians are chasing you, blah, 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 blah. You are not supposed to sell. You are not supposed to sell. Okay, basically. And for those people meeting, those people doing meetings because of our demonstration, look, what you guys have forgotten is that anytime you do your skirmishes meetings, some of us, we know our ghost team is already getting out the information. So I'm not going to hide it. If I hide it, you say that, yes, why? I'm telling you, so you stop it, because whether you like it or not, it will happen. That's what I want to tell you. Whether you like it or not, it will happen.
I have nothing to give to them.
Viewers, apologize. I'm continue.
It's interesting, guys. It's very, very important. Now, I've done 1 hour here today, and I don't intend to stay here that long because I will be online with a friend, and we're going to talk about issues and stuff like that. So I don't intend to stay here for long. Guys, remember to share the live, okay? Remember to share the live. It is very important we share the live, okay? It is very, very important. So I have this video also that I want to show. Now, the Yoruba people that are living in Ghana have made some of us to understand that for them, they are good people. A chance on the video where another fake king or whatever it is or have been jailed in the United States of America. A chance on that video. And I want to talk about it. It's very important. Where people are siphoning money that are supposed to be used for things. I told you that if you are dealing with a Nigerian, you have to open your eyes. Because these guys, they see everything under the sun as an opportunity to make money. Okay? Basically, that is how they see everything. There's nothing new for them. Now, quickly, let me share that video with you guys first. And then we'll go and check something else. And then we are wrapping up because today I don't intend to stay here more.
A highly respected Igbo king has been jailed in America. He can be professor of 2 majors, psychology and sociology for America. He can get one company they call Amach Counseling, and they provide counseling therapy to children. During COVID, and they will refer children go to the doctor, make doctor counsel them so that they can do well. When doctor provide the service.
So you see, like I told you, these guys are fond of doing this. Another Igbo, whatever they call it, jailed in the US. These man, see, they are like that. And that is why we are saying that we have to take them out. They are like that. That is basically their lifestyle. For them, anything they do, they see the opportunity of making money. And so they are like that. They will never change. That is their lifestyle, guys. That is their lifestyle. They won't change. Guys, I have only 44 of you watching me on Top Gossip and only one person on World Gossip. And I want you guys to share the live streaming. These are the things we want to talk about. It is very, very important. So this guy, this Igbo king, they have the attitude of getting a king everywhere they go. And this one is in the USO.
Service, doctor can send the invoice, go give a company called Alliance Healthcare. So they'll come pay the money to doctor. Now Alliance Healthcare can pay $72,000, just under $73,000. Now the assistant come the flag and they come say, this patient, something not do well. I say, Prof, don't they waka correct. Now they file 27 count charge against Professor. Professor shock. Professor won't talk out for cause say, this is not the typical me. One person action, it don't spoil the road for many Nigerians. 2 Nigerian kings, they don't jail them in less than 18 months.
So these guys, that is their nature. Wherever they go, they smell Nunu scent. Wherever they go. Wherever they go, I'm telling you, they smell what? Nunu scent. It is very, very important. Okay? I have my last video before I'll play something that I saw yesterday. and that will bring us to a very hot standstill position. Yes.
So this man was placed in detention camp in Australia awaiting the.
Listen to this very carefully. Nigerians, we don't have to, you see, listen to it very carefully. Somebody who was placed in a detention center in Australia. Under that particular detention center where this man there on top was placed, he was then selling something in a cells. These are the people we want to open our borders for. I'm telling you, they will sell our border, including the police officers. These are the people.
Petition. Watch what he did next.
Being run right under the noses of authorities at the Villawood Detention Centre. A convicted drug smuggler is accused of running the citywide operation from within the centre.
A man not welcome in the community was allegedly flooding it with drugs. This 49-year-old Nigerian national is accused of using Villawood Detention Centre as the headquarters of his methamphetamine business.
The street value of those drugs which we've seized is in excess of $9 million.
Police say he ran the entire operation.
So all the Ghanaians that are selling in Abuso Kanda, you guys keep saying that, according to what I'm hearing, one of the guys went out there to go share the flyers. And these are the information he picked. That there's one Ghanaian there saying that, hey, if you want to talk about these people, then we don't want to support you people. If you're a Ghanaian and you say that, excuse me, what about them? It means that you are part of them. Okameni juani bi yeta flache, okameni juani bi ye jename, hena juani bi yo fata hena juo. Okameni juo. Nuano sumo nkeba ke ni boy say te na ma ke post say apetition abuso kan mokwe be challenge me. Some Ghanaians are sick in the head.
From 3 phones found inside his detention unit. Using encrypted messages, he's believed to have mobilised a team of runners on the outside who moved large quantities of meth across Sydney and Newcastle.
We were able to identify a drug transaction which we allege he coordinated and was being conducted.
Detectives stopped the sale.
Search warrant! Open the door!
Then tracked down one of his alleged henchmen at Liverpool. The 24-year-old there accused of trying to flush 750 grams of meth and 90 grams of heroin down the toilet. Detectives seized $325,000 in cash and charged both men with a range of drug supply charges.
Police say these raids are only the beginning of a major crackdown on drug crime. They're confident of finding and arresting more people involved at every stage of the supply chain.
We have amazing technology, we have amazing analysts now, and we're able to identify these people no matter where they are.
Jodie Lee, 7 News.
You hear that? So these are the people. We keep allowing these people to enter into Ghana. They will use Ghana as a center for this kind of meth. They will use it. You may say Ghana. They will spoil Ghana. Now let me show you the video that I'm talking about. And I'll ask whether there are Ghanaians in Nigeria doing the same thing. If somebody know about it, they should tell me. I'll show you that video. I hope to see that video very quick. I'll show you. Don't worry. I'll show you. Hopefully, I'll grab that video. It's very important because when I see that thing happening, I ask myself if we are serious as a country. If we're going to allow people to come into our country to just display this kind of attitude on the street and we don't do anything about it, then at the end of the day, where the country is going to, we are doomed. Very good. Now, this is the video. This is the video. Okay. This thing you see is in the center of Accra. You see that there's an Aboboya repairing shop there. Aboboya repairing shop here. Let me play the video. When I get there, I'll stop. You see that Aboboya repairing shop that is by the roadside. That Aboboya shop that is by the roadside is owned by an Igbo man and a Nigerian for that matter. Who gave that place to him? How did he get the shop by the roadside? And according to the information getting me from my ghost team, this guy is able to block part of the road. Part of the road. I'm calling on the mayor of Accra. I'm calling on the Ghana Police Service, the MTTU. I'm calling on the MTTU. If a Ghanaian is doing this in Nigeria, somebody should come and tell me a Ghanaian is repairing something in Nigeria and he keep blocking the road. Because this is out of order. This guy, even this one, my ghost team, when they push him away a little bit, that's how you see that he's packed them well. Otherwise, this guy is packing everything, blocking the access of the road and people walking by the pathway. He's blocking people. And nobody cares about it, Mr. Mahama. Nobody cares about it, Ghana Police Service. Nobody cares about the people living around. According to what I'm hearing, they've been reporting this guy. They've been talking to him. They always have issue with him. And he keep doing the same thing. Essence will be a Nigeria title. I'm saying, say, Mr. Mahama, you go down because of this title you went for. And yes, I mean, you go down. Because if I were you, I will wait when I finish my whatever, and then I'll go for it. So now you have people coming out to come and do all this. Honestly, a Nigerian and Igbo person for that matter, repairing by the roadside. Actually, who gave him the authority to be doing this by the roadside though? The people out there, I understand this is somewhere in Tabora or say whatever. I'm calling on the Ghana Police Service to go and take care of this. If somebody is watching me, please tell the Ghana Police Service that this guy is blocking the road. And he's not a Ghanaian.
Loka oje kolebu no ba ko je dan so ma hu do ba onyo la je ba na je pepe ne no ne.
You hear that from Kolebu? When you are coming from Kolebu, so this is Accra itself. Gamami denche. Gamami. Let me show you guys again. I will show you. And for those that couldn't join me for this section, half of this video from this side where I was talking about Nigeria, I will show you guys. I'll cut that side and show you. Because I need you guys to see that. From Kolebu. This is from Kolebu. I have one Igbo guy coming to write something under my comment section. Oh, you guys don't worry. Are we going to join hands with the guns and we're going to push Ashantis to in Accra to Ashanti region? Futomonto na chole Joshua. Olento e togo na chole Joshua. O he futomona kanto e. Ta flache. Kebo Igbo nyu oba hishin gan oba ba twon wono no ba fi. Na ka maleke ju ke pa ke ni benye ke ba ke call me akeshi gameje ile fie. It is not true. We pass through Ilefe. No, but Igbo nyu ko ye gan bo mi toe. Ni wanyeme ye bia ne wanyeme ye ji wo problem, wo biggest problem ni wo yo ye gan ji wanyeme ye. They don't want to work. All they are interested in is money. Don't worry. I pray that they will use your head. That is one of my prayers. They should use your head. I beg. Use the head of these people. I beg. Use it. I pray that they will use your head. Because since you are lazy and you don't want to work, it is good to use your head. So this is around Kolebu. I'm calling on the mayor of Accra. Honorable Mr. Alote. You know how we do it. Anyway, now I'm going to record it here and send it to Mr. Alote. I will record and send it to Mr. Alote that this man there, this is what he's doing. Taflache, Ghana Nyoni. Ibanye amemami ni afi no lefi ojeme. And we have to be serious with things that we have to do. It's about time we do that. Honestly, it's about time. This is the last video though that I'm going to show to you guys, and I'm hoping to see all of you when I open the phone lines. We talk about aura today, and we dive a little bit into what is going on, and I show you a couple of videos about this Uzbekistan people. Finally, I show you this that is happening around Accra, Inga, Kolebu to be precise. And my ghost team member went there to see this, and he sent me the video. Kudos to you, my ghost team member. Like I told you guys, I'm about to send my ghost team back to Nigeria, and he will come back with horrible videos. All we need is the support to go and be back. If you're interested in joining me to do that, don't worry. Just DM me on my phone number and let me know how you can support. That's all. If nobody supports, I'm going to do it, and I'll show it to you here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, because I understand that there are Ghanaians that are stuck in Nigeria. Even money to take car back to Accra is a problem at the moment. I'm begging the people living in the diaspora. I need your help. Look, we have to do this and show it that we can, basically. Thank you guys all for being part of this show. God bless all of you. It is very, very important that we do so. And I'm going to just play this once again. And then I will expect if any of you want to share your thoughts on this, all these things that I share with you guys today. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. All right. Thank you guys all for joining us today. Yesterday, I was trying to share one video with all of you, but I got stuck in the middle of that. I don't know exactly what happened, but that video didn't play, but I'm fine with it. I'm going to open the phone line. It's 0592324421, 0592324421. Phone lines are open for 15 to 20 minutes. I want to do 1 hour, 30 minutes, because I will jump on the phone for an extra hour on a program. If you want to join us there and you are in Ghana, please join us on Obonu FM. Obonu FM. Join us on Obonu FM. I will be on Obonu FM just after this. And so we're going to be talking about the upcoming demonstration, Come Walk. And let me say before I leave here that the demonstration and everything and where we are donating money, we have only one place. Let me show you. Let me display this thing here. We have only one place that we are donating the money to. Please, like I keep saying, don't send money to anybody who will not come and tell you how he used the money. Okay? If you want to support, these are the organizers of the demonstration, Come the Walk. It's organized by Concerned Youth Alliance. Anybody that will display anything on his TikTok account with his personal number on top, please don't send anything regarding the demonstration to that person. Let me stress on it. Anybody that will show this thing on social media anywhere and will put his number, her number on top and saying that donate, do not donate to this. Send it to the people who are organizing the demonstration. This is the telephone number, and make sure anytime you send a screenshot of this to the same number, so the person will update it and make sure that your name will be captured. It is very, very important. If you send money to somebody else on TikTok claiming to come and help, and the person chop your money, don't come and say anything to me, Top Gossip, because when you send it, I didn't see anything. Send it. If you want to send me the screenshot, you can still send me the screenshot to 0592-324421, 0592-324421. That is the studio number. I know most of you called, but sometimes on the studio, when you called me and the phone is not with me, it's just going to go wayward. I will not be able to get everything. So I can tell you that every person that I pay a dime, everything is showing here, and I can show it to all of you if I have the clearance of doing that. It's very, very, very important here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here. God bless all of you for being part of this show. The number to call is 0592-324421, 0592-324421. We're going to end the show very soon, 0592-324421. Basically. So that is what we are working on now. 0592324421, 0592324421. And yesterday I shared part of the video for the live streaming. I know most of you will not be able to watch the entire live streaming, which is like 2 hours plus. So sometimes I cut part of it that I know you guys will be able to watch, and I put it out there. So you might see half of this video also after this coming on it for you to watch. Is very important. So I don't want you to spend time in watching the entire thing if you cannot watch it. There are people that want to watch a bit of it, and that is also appreciative on this part of the world. So you can join me on this live streaming, 0592324421, 0592324421, 0592324421, 0592324421. So the upcoming work is coming off. We are still in it. We are still doing the publicity. We have a couple of our sisters going to radio stations talking about it. And basically, that is what I'll be doing tonight. And I will join you guys to do that on this platform as well. And so it is important that I open the phone line. If you want to share your thoughts, if you want to share your mindset, you are welcome. But remember to share the live streaming on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here. The phone lines are open. And so I'm waiting for you guys to come in with your thoughts and what you want to say. Afensu, if I'm hearing that some people are trying to sabotage this work. If you are there and your mindset is to sabotage this, if you are there and your mindset is to sabotage this because you are not part of the whole thing and you think that you sabotage it, I am telling you that I will find you, I will bring you on this page, and I'll make sure everybody will know you and know who you are and what you stand for. Basically, I'm going to do it. So be careful. If you ever display that kind of attitude and I find you, I'm not going to spare you. I'm bringing you here. It is not a warning, but it is a word of caution. So we are all doing this together and we have to do it together. Don't go and do your own thing, take people's money and think that you people will not know. Some people will come and call me and they will say that they send money to ABCD. Okay? So make sure you account for whatever you are sending to anybody at all you are sending to. These are the only people that are supposed to receive whatever help you want to help with. These are the people. Okay? The safe work is coming on. We are saying Ghana is not safe. We are saying immigration and our passport and our borders are porous. We are saying that the visitors that are in Ghana, they are not doing what they are supposed to do. They have disrespect us. They are doing a lot of things that we are not expecting them to do. And so that is why we are demonstrating in Ghana. It is very, very important we do so. So, like I said, the phone lines are open, 0592 324421, 0592 324421. If you are ready, you can reach out to me and we can deal with these videos and stuff like that. It is very, very important that we do so. So if you are ready, you can call in. If you are not ready, in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to end the live streaming here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here. It is very, very important that we do so. There are some other feelers that are coming in. There's some meeting going on in some other abode. They want to stop this thing. They are already calling out to people and stuff like that. Look, I'm hearing it. My ghost team are working on it. I'm telling you, because the moment we get all the finality of what you guys are putting in place, I will post it. So know it, that whatever you do, we are hearing, and we're going to do what we have to do to ensure that we save Mother Ghana from our leaders who has already been hijacked in the realms of the spirit, and they don't know exactly what is going on in the realms of the physical. God bless all of you for being part of this show. And I have 5 minutes trying to wait for people who want to share their mindset on this platform. It is very, 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 very important. Thank you guys one more time. And I love your comments. Now let me go and see if I can display some of your comments. This is what I do these days. If I'm not able to read your comments, all I do is to display your comment on the screen, so somebody will also be able to read your comment while the person is watching the video. So these are the comments that came in whilst I was live, and I'm trying to share the comment whilst I wait for your calls one after the other. It is very, very important. Tomorrow is the D-Day. You know the Saturday programs. Tomorrow is going to be gracious. I'm telling you. So tomorrow, I'm expecting all of you to show up here on this platform as well. Tomorrow is Saturday, and on Saturdays, you guys know what we do. Like joke, you guys have turned me into a live streamer. I'm not a live streamer. And to Uba Hanuma, please use the super chat. Uba Hanuma, me say then use the super chat. Use the super chat, please. Use the super chat. It's very important. Use the super chat. Okay, use the super chat so you can also share your love to the page. Okay, you can share your love to the page. Use the super chat. So basically, that's what it is on this platform, Top Gossip 24. We are moving forward, and very soon we're gonna be one of the toppest on top in Ghana. Oh boy, we'll get there at the end of the day. If you are new here, remember to subscribe. If you are new here, remember to subscribe. It is our main idea set by the end of June. Say to me, hit it 4.5. So we are still moving. So if you are new here, please remember to subscribe to it. It's one of the things that I want all of you to do. Just don't come and watch the video and walk away. We are pleading with you to subscribe to it, and then you can share our videos on your Facebook pages and your other pages. From the speaker to the last MP in Ghana, Parliament are armed robbers. That's what somebody is saying. Obi Enekaye. Top, good job, Top Gossip. That is from Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown ever born in Sem or see why are they apply. Another person say criminals in suit. That is very, very important. People are wearing suit, but their brain is full of nyamaboni in Kwa. Ghanaian leaders are not there for Ghanaians. Of course, they are there for their family members, and they are just fooling us. And I love when A+ says he's going to blackmail them. Honestly, Ghanaian leaders busy in parliament, releasing Ghanaian youth to FBI. He's talking about Abu Trika Assembly. Obviously, share. It is very, very important. Ghanaian youth, wise up. Ghanaian youth, wise up. Ghanaian youth, wise up. How many times have I repeated that? It's very important to be wise up. So it is what it is on this platform, Top Gossip 24. And if there's no call coming through, I'm just going to wind up very, 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 very soon. I hope A+ will be able to achieve his aim by ensuring that he build that port and by ensuring that he push what he need to push. It's very, very important. Like Debia Mikano is very, very important. So like I said, if you see the guys pasting these posters in town, it is for the safe walk that is coming in this 25th of April. Okay, the number again is 0592324421 if you want to reach out. Otherwise, I'm gonna play the Ghana national anthem, and then I'll wrap up on this platform, Top Gossip 24. It is very important that we do so. Senior Etienne Pepepe. I have to take a rest and prepare for tomorrow. And like I said, tomorrow is gonna be super, super wow. You guys know what we do when it is Saturday. Okay, you guys know what we do when it's Saturday. So tomorrow we're gonna do so. Let me just play the Ghana national anthem at this moment. Let me play the Ghana national anthem. Briefly, I'm gonna play the Ghana national anthem, and then we roll up here on this page. There are other things one need to go and attend to. It's very, very important that we do so. So the Ghana national anthem will be played in a jiffy, and after that, we will see what we will do. All right, guys, thank you so much for being here with us. Our brother is saying something here, Charlie, man. Why if we put your hand, your like don't show anything? I don't know what you're saying. I'm trying to. You can send me a text on my phone, so we can talk if you are able to call me, Bra Willie, Mr. Williams. You can call me. I'm trying to understand what you're saying, but it's fine. I mean, we can talk. I said there's nothing to expose. corruption, whatever. It is what it is, and that's to you. That's what you think. So it's up to you, basically. So the program has ended, and basically you should expect people coming here to come and talk about this. Perhaps you join the show halfway, but if Kwame A Plus is saying that he's going to do what? Blackmail. He want to blackmail. What do you think he's saying? So it's up to you. It depends on you. Take your own comments out there and deal with it. But basically, that's what Kwame A Plus is saying. You might be a strong NDC. I care not about that. NDC more than you. I have more than 15 family members having positions in the NDC. So whatever you are saying doesn't hold water. I say the truth, and that's it.